3 rules. Rule 1. Nobody leaves the campsite perimeter after dark. Rule 2. If you need the bathroom, you go in pairs and you take a torch. Rule 3. Nobody goes near the forest. It's dangerous and completely off limits. Is that clear?
Forest, huh? I just want to go and find out what's in there. Mike, teacher said forest is unstable and dangerous. She just doesn't want us to have too much fun. I mean, I do want to see what's in there, but she is right there, Mike. I have a plan. We will go when everyone is asleep. We will sneak out and no one will notice. This is a terrible idea. The best ones always are. Hurry up, otherwise someone will watch us. We are very far from camp. We're fine. I have a torch. The torch battery is at 11%, Mike. That is plenty. Mike, I don't see anything special here. We should go back. Trust me, there must be some magical place out there. Now I'm getting afraid. Haha, that's called the adventure. There it is. Yeah, Mike. Benny, there's a QR code on that tablet. Do not scan it. It's a scavenger hunt. In the ruins, there's a treasure prize and everything. Challenge 1 is loading. Take a photo of your companion and upload it. Why does a treasure hunt need... Smile, Benny. I didn't say you could do that. Enter the name of the school your group is from. Maplewood Primary. Done. Mike, stop for 1 second. Share your precise location so the map can guide you to the treasure. Mike, think about what we just gave that app. My photo, without asking me. Our school name. A photo of this entire place. And now it wants to know exactly where we are. I uploaded your photo without asking. I gave away our school. And I almost handed them our exact location. Benny, I'm really sorry. I know you didn't mean it. But you have to fix it. Right now. Deleting the app. Done. Revoking location access. Done. Reporting it to the App Store. Done. I can't take back what I already uploaded. But I stopped it getting worse. That's something. Next time someone hands me something to scan, I'm asking a trusted adult first, no matter how cool it looks. We should head back. Yeah,